These facts won't change your life, but they might change your brain. This is Uselessly Brilliant Facts, Volume 7. Or is it 42? Giant Crab Claws. You can dislocate a coconut crab's claw, and it'll grow back stronger. So basically, crabs are in a permanent anime training arc. Rooster with sunglasses. Roosters have built-in earmuffs. Their ears close when they crow to protect themselves from their own screaming. A bee doing math on a chalkboard. Bees can count to 4 and understand the concept of 0. A snail on fire in medieval armor. Medieval manuscripts are full of snails fighting knights. Historians still aren't sure why. A goose with VIP sunglasses. Ancient Romans used guard geese instead of dogs. They honked like crazy and never took bribes. A cat typing on a typewriter. There's a 1960s novel written entirely by a cat walking on a typewriter. It was published. It's called Further Thoughts. Okay, not really. Cartoon Earth with hairdryer. Earth is technically smoother than a billiard ball if scaled down. Fish holding a mirror. Mantis shrimp can see 16 types of color, we see only 3. So they're basically living in Rainbow Ultra HD. A group of flamingos standing on one leg. With confused expressions, flamingos only eat with their heads upside down. They're basically born doing yoga and being fabulous. A hippo in a bubble bath labeled Sweat. Hippo sweat pink. It's not just weird, it's also sunscreen. Nature's SPF. Slippery pink fluid. A butterfly sipping from a cup labeled Tears. Some butterflies drink turtle tears for salt. It's not rude. It's science. A giant clam with a shocked face. The largest living thing with no brain is a clam, the giant clam. 0 thoughts, just vibes. A T-Rex holding a toothbrush. Dinosaurs got cavities. T-Rex had a sweet tooth and tiny arms to brush with. A smiling rat in a lab coat. Rats can laugh. It's ultrasonic and usually when they're tickled. Science says rats are into comedy. A potato and a tomato holding hands. Potatoes and tomatoes are cousins. It's a weird family, but delicious. A goldfish with glasses and a memory bubble. Goldfish don't have 3-second memories. They can remember things for months. That's longer than me on a Monday. A cactus holding a glass of water and a smug face. Cactus spines aren't just sharp, they can actually produce sounds in the wind. So technically, that cactus is singing at you. A panda casually sitting next to a stack of ancient Chinese scrolls. Ancient Chinese emperors kept pandas as royal pets because they symbolized peace. Also because they're squishy legends. A shrimp with lightning powers. The pistol shrimp can snap its claws so fast it creates a bubble hotter than the sun and stuns its prey. Nature's teeniest gunslinger. A man serenading cheese wheels. In Switzerland, some cheesemakers play music to their cheese while it ages. Yes, cheese has a Spotify playlist. A chameleon wearing 2 monocles. Chameleons can move their eyes in 2 different directions. So technically, they can watch you and judge you at the same time. A bird with a mirror and a love letter. Bowerbirds build elaborate art installations to impress mates. They're the romantic interior decorators of the bird world. A human-sized mushroom wearing a crown. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus in Oregon. It's over 3 miles wide. You're basically living under a mushroom empire. A whale with earwax like tree rings. Scientists can tell a whale's age from its earwax. It builds up in layers like the world's weirdest birthday candle. A frog in a tuxedo holding a baby frog. Darwin's frog keeps its babies inside its mouth until they hop out. Mouth parenting. Evolution's weirdest daycare. A spider playing a harp. Some spiders use their webs like instruments, plucking silk strands to attract mates. Call it string theory. A man with goosebumps wearing armor. Goosebumps are a leftover instinct from when humans had more body hair. It made them look bigger during danger or bad dates. A flea lifting weights. Fleas can jump up to 200 times their body length. Basically, they're Olympic gymnasts with vampire problems. A kiwi bird with a long beak and reading glasses. Kiwi birds have nostrils at the tips of their beaks. They sniff out bugs like nature's bloodhounds, but cuter. A snail with a shield and cape. Some snails can hibernate for up to 3 years if conditions aren't right. That's not lazy, that's just elite patience. An astronaut in space holding a spoon of peanut butter. Astronauts' taste buds dull in space, so they load up on spicy food. Space tacos? A dog in a hat, painting a landscape. Dogs can see some colors, just not all. They're not colorblind, they just live in vintage Instagram filters. A camel wearing snow boots. Camels have 3 eyelids and 2 rows of lashes, built-in goggles for desert sandstorms. They're like SUVs with eyelashes. A shark holding a map with the caption, "Born here." Some sharks return to the exact beach where they were born, decades later. Shark nostalgia is real. A dragonfly wearing aviator goggles. Dragonflies can see in slow motion. Their reflexes are so fast they make Neo from the Matrix look laggy. A bee with luggage and a passport. Bees communicate through dance. They literally shimmy to show each other where the good flowers are. It's like Yelp, but with twerking. Still useless, still brilliant. Hit the button, and we'll keep filling your brain with stuff that's 0% helpful, 100% unforgettable.